How to book flights on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can book flights on Air New Zealand. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to either make use of the website or you can make use of the application, anyone of your choice. And then after you've created an account, log in into your account by launching the app. So after launching the app, the next step is for you to click on the option book by the bottom part of the screen. Then on this page, ensure you select flights. All right, and then you would be asked to select the web browser that you can use to complete this. To select the web browser that is more suitable for you, or if you have just one web browser, it would be taken to that web browser immediately, and then you would wait for the page to load. So once that's loaded, the next step is for you to select the kind of trip you would like to book. Is it a return trip? Is it a one-way trip? Then select your location. Where are you coming from? And then where exactly are you heading to? Then select a departure date as well as a return date. And then select the number of people that are going. If you would like to book a child alone, check the box. Then scroll down. If you have a promo code and show you, then click on the search button. So by clicking on the search button, the flights that are available for those days would be displayed to you, but you'd have to wait for the page to load as well. So once it has been processed, you can see the different flights available for those dates. So you can decide to sort the flights by price, by departure, by arrival, by the duration. Okay, just go ahead and check through it and select the one that is easy for you. So I've selected the one I want. I must note that by booking the flight, you have to select the kind of flight you want. Is it economy? Is it first class? Ensure you include all of this in the flight. So now we can see the one I booked. You can see the amount to be paid for seat. If you want to include the and bag, if you want to include anything extra, you can see the charges. So you will be the one to select the package that you want. So if you want to select it, click select and continue, and then you take it to the arrival flight as well, where you'll be asked to select a price. So go ahead and select it. Then what kind of package do you want? Select it, click on select and continue as well. And then you wait for the page to load. And you'll be taken to the next stage of the process. At this stage, you would have to enter in your personal details, okay? So you can decide to use your Air New Zealand account saved details, or you can decide to enter in your passenger details manually. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead to enter to select the option which says use my Air New Zealand account saved details. So just scroll down, fill in the details, and click on continue again, and you'll be taken to the next stage, which is for you to enter in your passenger's details. Which is the next stage for you to add extras on your flight, which include extra bags. All right. Now, if you book the flight that allows you to get extras to be displayed there, but for me, I only have an option to book an extra, just one extra, and I have reached the limit already. Then, if you want to take a travel insurance, you can ensure you do this, or you can just decide to make your own insurance arrangements. If you want to rent a car, you can do that. Scroll down, check through the packages you want, then you can click on continue, or you can move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on skip. So the next stage will be for you to select your seat. So you can see the class I booked, which is the economic class. Yours could be first class, could be business class. Just select the one that you prefer, and then you can see the seats that are available for the class that I chose. So you can see the $15, $10, all right. Depending on the location you want the seat to be, just go ahead and select the one you want. And you can see the amount to pay, then select next flight, which is a seat for the coming flight. Then select the seat as well, click continue, and you'll be taken to the next stage. So these are the various stages required for you to book a flight on Air New Zealand. So this is the final stages for you to review and pay. So check through your flight details by clicking on view details, and then you'll see the details of your flight. So be sure that like what you can see. All right, to ensure that you this is exactly what you planned for. And then once you've confirmed that, next step is for you to make payment. You can make payment using your credit, that is an existing credit in your account, or you can pay with your air point dollars. Select the one you want, then select a payment method, which is credit card or online banking. For credit card, you'll be required to enter in your card number, the name of the card expiration date, the security code, etc. And then your card will be saved, and then click on pay now. By clicking on pay now, the money will be charged from your account via the card that you have used. Or you can decide to click on online banking, and here you'll be asked to select your bank, follow through the procedures, click on proceed to online banking, make your payment, and your flight will be booked. So this is how we can book a flight on Air New Zealand. Thank you for watching and have a good day.